Number 5. Number 5. Pinasa sa ilalim ito. Pero wala na. Number 26. Number 26. Pinasa number 29. Number 9. Number 9. Pinasa number 26. Di masok. Number 5. Nawawalan. Pinasa number 0. Number 0. Number 16 pinasa ang bola. Number 16 pinasa number 26. Number 16 pinasa ay number 45. Tumira ng 3. Sobra. Qualification na ang bola. Sobra ng 55 basic basketball team. Number 0 na ang bola. Number 0 pinasa ay qualification. Tumira ng 3. Topper katalan, minawag ang bola. Topper, nagbabasahan, pinasay pa no. Time to shoot. Tumira 3. Wala. Number 9. Number 9, favorite number 2 points. Score mo natin, deadlock 57. Number 0. Number 0, pinasa number 5. 2 points. Saray number 5. Score natin yung mga po ang SK Basketball Team. Pinasa kay Balong. Balong, fake, drive, nice lang number 5. Number 5, pinasa number 0. Number 0, 2 points. Score natin 61-57 in favor of SK Basketball Team. 8 minutes left on game clock. Yerrick, pinasa number 5. Number 5, final break. Topper, pinasay number 26 sa gitna, wala. Number 5 with the rebound, pinasay. Topper, Maranan. Sobrang nila. Nawa number 3. Balong, pinasay number 9 sa ilalim, pasok, 2 points. Oras po natin, 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 0, pinasay number 5 sa gitna, jumper, wala. Nawa number 4 na balong. Number 45, pinasay Total Catalan, foul. Foul number 5.
Nakanino susi mo yung motor?
Number 5.
Wala sa'yo? Wala sa'yo, Richard? Wala. Ako na ako, hindi mo binigay yun. Kanino ba ito?
Number 5, first personal foul. First team foul. Number 16, pinasay number 45, pinasay number 9. Pero jumper, it's good. Number 0, may ang bola. Number 0. Score po natin, 61-63 lamang pa rin po ang SK Basketball Team. Number 0. 10%. Number 5, 2 points. Topper, Catalan, binababa ang bola. Pinasa sa gilid sa number 9, binalik kay Topper. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Bumalik sa number 9 ang bola, tumira ng 3. Number 1. Consolidation ng mga board. Score ko natin 65-64 in favor of SK Basketball Team. Outside. Bola ng 6-3 Basketball Team. Sabref. Topper Catalan ang bola. Pinababa. Pinababa. 24 Sabref. Balong. Nasa number 26. 10 to shoot. Wala. Narito ni number 0. Number 0 pinababa ang bola. Pinasa kay Topper Marana. With a layup. 2 points. Alright, Topper Marana. Number 16, pinababa ang bola. 67-64 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ang SK Basketball Team. Topper. Ikot. Pinasa kay number 26. 10 to shoot. Balong ko ng rest. Wala. Nawa number 5 ang bola. Number 5. Hey! Sinigol ang tao namin. Sabref.
Earn.
180 points, wala. Number 12, wala pa rin. Save ball na ang tawag sa number.
Standby. Tapos. Ayan.
Number 16. Naba ng bola. Number 16. Focus para number 21.
72 na.
Later sir, ito ang score. Hindi ko makita. Dalawa pa po. Minutes and 25 seconds. Foul by jersey number 18. Yes. In-graduate na po. Foul out na po. Foul out na po ang jersey number 18 ng Team SK. The remaining time po is 3 minutes and 11 seconds of the first score. 7-1-64. Facing po na naman po ang time out ninyo. Free throw ng Team Phase B, jersey number 11, Baltazar. Basket by jersey number 11. Yan ang kahirap kasi na ay talaga. Katalang, wala. Ayun. Diba? Wala. Basket na gusto ng Vanderlei. Oops. What is that, Red? Foul by jersey number 5? Yes. Sa'yo yun. Foul by jersey number 5. Oras na lang is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay na po?
Tatang sa ilalim!
Nakuha. Wala. Ayun. Nakuha ni Maranan. Basket by Maranan. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Yes po. 15 to shoot. Foul by number 12 by Team Erino. Ilan na tatlo? Tingnan mo na lang. Tingnan mo ako para sa sa score. Substitution. Remaining time 2 minutes and 9 seconds. 77. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Last minutes. Last minutes na po. Wala. 15 to shoot. Wala. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Foul. Foul by jersey number 3. 30 po foul. What's happening? Jersey number 13 foul. 1 minute and 45 seconds on after. 15% foul. Pushing foul by jersey number 62. Wala pa po. First personal foul. 13 foul. 1 minute and 37 seconds. Oops. Remaining shot clock 10 seconds for. Remaining shot clock 10 seconds for. Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds. So, ano po?
Sabi ba mo nagkailangan mo dito ka?
Let's go. Nakuha. Dito na nakuha. Let's start. Basket na dito number 5. 1 minute and 28 seconds. Wala. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Oops. What's happening? Let's go. Number 5. That is still foul with jersey number 5. Jersey number 5 is second personal foul. Ilan ang team foul ate? Hindi mo nalagay ang team foul ng fourth quarter. Huwag mo nalagay ang team foul. 1 minute. Basket by jersey number 16. Foul by jersey number 12.
Palayo mo na sa palayuin. Pasa.
21 ba yan? 21 sa yung foul. Ilan pa si foul? First ka rin? Hindi na lang first. Seconds. Another free throw by jersey number 14. Wala. 50 seconds foul by jersey number 13 ng team. Third personal foul, 14 foul. Foul by jersey number 13. Penalty po tayo rin. Another fourth personal foul by jersey number 13. Penalty rin. Ganon. 49 seconds. At kabut. Basket by jersey number 143. Another basket by jersey number 143. Our official score is 81-69. This is po. Opo, hindi ko makita. 39 seconds. Basket 3 points by jersey number 16. Opo. 30 seconds. Basket another 3 points. Depende. Hindi ka nagbigay. 20 seconds.
Takbo! Sayang no, tututok sana.
20 seconds. 20 seconds. 19 seconds. Official score is 81-75. 19 seconds.
Buzzer beater happy.
That's all ng team SK. Warning po. Warning po ng team SK. 18 seconds. Again, warning na po ang team or bench ng team SK. 18 seconds. 15 seconds. Time that is now 0. 3 free throw, tama ba? Yes, 3 free throw. Basket by jersey number 3.
Tapos isa dyan, para ano? Hindi, isang kapos.
Another seconds around. And with another free throw. Pasaya ba? Yung i-edarap ang ating mga truck faces. Basket by jersey number 5, Team FC. For the another free throw. Okay, sabi mo eh. Naman siya ito lang hindi. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Basa na lang po. Oh.